This is an example of collaboration and sharing, which I like to call extreme distance learning. There is a faculty member at the University of Washington by the name of Dr. Richard Anderson, and he co-teaches a course in computer science with a faculty member in Pakistan. And because of the time difference, one class is really early in the morning and the other class is really late at night. But in any case, they use technology to bring the two classrooms together, and they use a free program called Microsoft Classroom Presenter. And here's an example of it. So the faculty member in either Pakistan or the University of Washington gives a problem set out to the students in both classes and asks them to start on that problem. And using Classroom Presenter, like a film strip, they're able to see on the right-hand side all the different screens of students in both parts of the world. Now, similar to a traditional class, when I as a faculty member would call on my students, who would I call on? Was it the student looking down and didn't want me to perhaps notice them, or the student with their hands up? Neither gave me a really good indication on pedagogically who was the best student to call upon for this particular example. Whereas if I'm a faculty member and either in my physical class or a classroom all the way around the world, I can now see what the students are doing with that problem. One of the answers might be so close to perfect that pedagogically it doesn't help me very much to help the other students understand how to get the correct answer. On the other hand, it may be so far wrong that it would take me the whole class period just to work on that one problem. So I can scan through them and I can see which one I want to pull over to my screen and use that as an example, and then annotate it and show the students how I would come up with the right answer. And that, of course, can be saved back to their individual tablet computers. So, in essence, whether it's a traditional class or a classroom halfway or all the way around the world, the technology can make the collaboration sharing process much more robust.